मैंने जब 1978 में आया था, एक वीकेंड इससे पहले जब 2006 में था 9 फ्रेंड्स के अंदर, जब इसको एक और प्लैनेट है नेपच्यून के मून है वो जिससे बड़े हैं तब आया, तो 2006 में प्लूटो को हटा दिया गया।
ये तो सूर्य के सबसे नजदीक का ग्रह कौन सा है? चमकीला ग्रह सबसे बड़ा ग्रह चक्कर लगा चक्कर सूर्य का भारत के द्वारा जोड़ा गया सबसे पहला उपग्रह कौन सा?
Satellite that rotates Earth the period of 24 hours with Earth's rotation. It revolves from west to east and it provides visible and IR rays which are essential and can be taken by atmosphere.
This white portion is geostationary satellite. What is the function of the geostationary satellite?
Sir, communication provides
Maintenance of geostationary satellites.
इसका नाम क्या था? चलो जितना तुम्हारा पहले अपना
It occurs when the Earth is between Moon and the Sun. And it fully covers the Moon, and it doesn't let the sunlight to pass go on to the Moon. And it gives usually when it is the full moon.
चंद्रग्रहण
बेटा शुरू से बताना
स्पेस में सेटेलाइट हो गए हैं और यहाँ एक है पर अभी करना से भी सैटेलाइट है। सैटेलाइट एंटीना में सिग्नल देता है, वो सारे कम्युनिकेशन में सिग्नल देता है। और एग्जाम्पल कंप्यूटर मोबाइल
नाइट मोड
चलो डे एंड नाइट अगर समझा लिए तो ठीक है, नहीं समझा पाए
और ये मून लगाता है तो है ना अर्थ के जैसे मून रहेगा ना उससे डाल रहेगा, क्योंकि ये जो काम है ना जिससे जो सैटेलाइट अलग कर पाता है ना उससे तकलीफ
सूर्य पृथ्वी के चारों ओर घूमता है कि पृथ्वी सूर्य के चारों ओर घूमता है? पृथ्वी सूर्य के चारों ओर घूमता है ना?
So we are presenting a satellite communication First of all, we launched a satellite. Then the satellite sends signals.
Launched in very faint, the satellite very faint.
It's a space.
Space, right.
Then the satellite gives signals of locations maps to बता सके कि ये शिप कहाँ जा रही है, कहाँ मौसम खराब है.
So you mean to say कि अब GMAPS works on the basis of इससे पहले ये क्या है? Sun. उसके बाद Mercury के बाद Venus. फिर अच्छा अर्थ में हम लोग रहते हैं. परफेक्ट. फिर मार्स. अच्छा मार्स सबसे गर्म ग्रह है. ओके
सबसे बड़ा ग्रह है.
परफेक्ट. परफेक्ट. हाँ आगे.
कोल्ड प्लैनेट.
यूरेनस.
उसके पास की किरण नहीं जाती.
किसके पास धूप की किरण नहीं जाती है? यूरेनस के पास. ठीक है. और लास्ट पे
नेपच्यून सबसे लास्ट.
सबसे लास्ट प्लैनेट. हाँ.
जब इसका रंग बढ़ता है जब इस साइड है ना ये होता है और जब है ना इधर है उसकी बैक साइड तब डार्क होता है. जब ये है ना 24 आवर्स घूमता है तो डे और नाइट होता है. 12 आवर्स डे होता है और 12 आवर्स नाइट होता है.
परफेक्ट.
My partner Yuvraj Verma. This is our model of lander and rover of Chandrayaan-3. The lander and rover
बच्चे लोग
सर ये एक जियोस्टेशनरी सैटेलाइट है. ये अर्थ के ऑर्बिट से 35,800 किलोमीटर दूर रहता है और ये ईस्ट से वेस्ट ट्रैवल करता है रिवॉल्यूशन की तरह. और इसका काम होता है वेदर फोरकास्टिंग, ब्रॉडकास्टिंग, नेविगेशन के काम होता है. और ये इक्वेटर के साथ होता है. टाइम 24 आवर्स.
ये आर्टिफिशियल है ना कि नेचुरल? आर्टिफिशियल है. लोग बना के वहाँ पे
नेचुरल सैटेलाइट बोल रहे हैं.
हाँ स्पेस शटल.
जो अर्थ लॉन्च होता है 3 चैम्बर का. जब अर्थ लॉन्च होता है क्रॉस करता है 3 जगह हट जाते हैं और फिर अपनी स्पीड पे करता है और एक प्लेनेट जाकर इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करके अर्थ पे भेजते हैं.
एक प्लैनेट से दूसरे प्लैनेट पे जाके इंफॉर्मेशन भेजता है. अच्छा तो ये ऐसे स्पेस शटल बहुत सारा भेजेंगे आप लोग. एक भी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ.
ये सीधे होता है.
अच्छा आप श्रीलेखा ये आपने बनाया? ये क्या है? सोलर सिस्टम तो इतना नॉर्मली हम लोग को पता है. ये सब भी लगा देगा आप? कुछ सोच के लगाएंगे ऐसे ही?
किसी को सिग्नल बता रहे हैं.
हाँ हाँ इसलिए तो.
हमारे ना सोलर सिस्टम में एक प्लैनेट है और ये सबसे बड़ा प्लैनेट सबसे ब्यूटीफुल प्लैनेट और को माना जाता है और को ना प्लैनेट से बोलते हैं. और ये सारे ये प्लैनेट ना एक बिग स्टार का चक्कर लगाते हैं. बिग स्टार का चक्कर लगाते हैं और सन भी बोलते हैं. तो ये हमारे ना गैलेक्सी का हिस्सा है.
परफेक्ट. मैं इसीलिए पूछा था फर्स्ट. ये आप लोगों ने मिल्की वे के लिए तो नहीं किया ऐसे सोचो.
Our solar system is located in the galaxy. The galaxy is also known as Milky Way. And there are millions of stars and planets in the galaxy. Dust, planets, stars, and meteors all float in the sky, the stars and galaxies older than the sun. The galaxies and thousands of light.
Today, India is celebrating its May Day National Space Day, which marks the first year anniversary of the successful landing of India's Vikram lander on moon surface. As it's our ritual to start any program with lighting up the lamp and praying to the Mother Goddess, I would like to invite Principal Sir and Vice Principal Sir to come on the stage and light up the lamp.
All the science faculties present over here because this program is on behalf of science faculties only. And dear students, today we are celebrating National Space Day. For the first time, India is celebrating this day, and we have organized different programs since morning. One of the major program is science exhibitions. Primary kids and middle kids already visited those exhibitions. After the quiz competitions, all senior students, everybody has to visit those science exhibitions. Apart from science exhibitions, we are having reels making competition. Nowadays, these reels are very popular. Everybody is preparing reels, but this time it should be aligned with the National Space Day. The reels should be on the theme of space day celebration. So you can submit your reels by tomorrow 12 AM like that. And this is quiz competition. This quiz competition will also be based on National Space Day only. At the end, we will declare the winners, and tomorrow in the morning we are distributing the prizes. So all the best to all the participants for the quiz competition, and of course other activities are simultaneously going on. Thank you.
One of which is quiz competition, and I will be your host for the quiz competition with my friend Dipanshu Gupta.
A very warm good afternoon to everyone. This is Dipanshu Gupta. Today I will be assisting Aditya as a moderator in today's quiz competition. Thank you.
Without any further ado, I would request participants to give their brief introduction. First of all, from Alpha House, we have.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sarojit Kumar. I am in class 12.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pushpita Diwan, class 11. Good morning. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aditi Mehta. I am in 9th standard.
From Indravati House, we have.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Devanshi. I am Devanshi Nigam from class 12.
Then from Mahanadi House, we have.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rajat from class 12.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jasmine Pandey from class 12 science.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Gayatri Pal from class 11. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Hari from class 12.
At last from Shivnath House, we have.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sarojit from Wadi. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sandhya Nanda from class 12. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Rajmani from class 10.
A brief introduction of today's competition. There will be total of 5 rounds. The first one is optional round, where there will be total of 16 questions. Each team will get 4 questions, and there will be 4 options. You have to choose any one of the options. Each each correct answer would give you 4 points, and there will be no negative marking. Then in round 2, we have pass round, in which you will get 12 questions. Each team will get 3 questions, and if you answer the question, you will get 4 points. And if you fail to answer the question, it will be passed to the next group, and it will continue. And there will be no negative marking. Then we have visual round, in which we will show an image on our screen, and you will be given 20 seconds to answer. Each right answer will give you 4 points, and there will be no negative marking. Then on the fourth round, we have buzzer round, where you have to press the buzzer. There will be 8 questions. Each team will get 2 questions, and there will be 20 seconds to answer each question. For every correct answer, there is 4 points, and from every wrong answer, there is -2 points. And the last round is the rapid fire round, where each team will be asked 4 questions rapidly, and you have to answer the questions within 5 to 10 seconds. So let us start the program. So first we have optional round. So as I told you, you will be given 4 options to choose from, and each right answer will give you 4 points. And if you can't answer, the question will be dissolved. So our order is AIIMS, Arpa, Indravati, Mahanadi, and then Shivnath. So we will ask questions in that order. So first from the Arpa house, the first question is, which organization launched Chandrayaan 3? Your options are A. NASA, B. ESA, C. Roscosmos, D. ISRO.
Option D, ISRO.
Right answer, Arpa house gets 4 points. Then we have question, how long did it take for Chandrayaan 3 to reach the moon after its launch? Your options are A. 3 days, B. 15 days, C. 22 days, D. About 41 days. That's the wrong answer. What? Let me repeat the options once again. A. 3 days, B. 15 days, C. 22 days, D. About 41 days. That's the right answer. 4 marks to Indravati house. Then the third question is for the Mahanadi. The question is, which ISRO chairman is often referred to as the father of Indian space program? The question is clear. Your options are A. Dr. Satish Dhawan, B. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, C. Dr. A.S. Kiran Kumar, D. Dr. U.R. Rao. A. Dr. Satish Dhawan, B. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, D. Dr. A.S. Kiran Kumar, D. Dr. U.R. Rao. Option B, Dr. Vikram.
Yes.
That's the right answer. Team Mahanadi gets 4 points. Now the next question is for Shivnath house. Who was the chairman of ISRO during the Chandrayaan 3 mission launch? Your options are A. K. Sivan, B. A.S. Kiran Kumar, C. S. Somnath, D. G. Madhavan Nayak. That's the right answer. Team Shivnath gets 4 points. Now again to the Arpa house. Your question is, what was the launch date of Chandrayaan 3? Your options are June 15, 2023, July 14, 2023, August 22, 2023, and September 30, 2023.
14 July.
That's the right answer. Arpa house gets 4 points. Now again to the Indravati house. Your question is, what are the main components of Chandrayaan 3? Your options are orbiter, lander and rover, orbiter and lander, rover only.
Lander and rover.
That's the right answer. Indravati House gets 4 points. Next to it, Mahanadi House. What is the name of rover on the Chandrayaan 3 mission? Your options are A. Vikram, B. Pragyan, C. Yan, D. Surya. Options A. Vikram, B. Pragyan, C. Yan, D. Surya. Option B. Pragyan. That's the right answer. Mahanadi House get 4 points. Now next question again to the Shivnath. Which lunar feature is Chandrayaan 3 specially aimed to explore? Your options are Mare Lambrium, B. Lunar Highlands, C. South Pole Aitken Basin, D. South Polar Region.
Option
South Polar Region, that's the right answer. Shivnath get 4 points. Next again to the Verma House. The question is, how many scientific instruments does the Chandrayaan 3 lander carry? Your options are A. 3, B. 5, C. 7, D. 10. A question, how many scientific instruments does the Chandrayaan 3 lander carry? Your options are A. 3, B. 5, C. 7, D. 10.
Option B 5.
That's the right answer. Alpha House gets 4 points. Now again to the Indravati group. Your question is, what is the approximate distance between Earth and the Moon that Chandrayaan 3 traveled? Your options are 1,200,000 kilometers, 2,50,030 kilometers, 3,84,000 kilometers, or 5,71,000 kilometers. Options A 1,200,000 kilometers, B 2,50,030 kilometers, C 3,84,000 kilometers, D 5,71,000 kilometers.
Option D.
That's the wrong answer. The right answer is option C 3,84,000 kilometers. There is no negative marking, so you don't have to worry much. Now the next question again to Mahanadi House. Which upcoming mission is expected to follow Chandrayaan 3, focusing on human spaceflight? Let me repeat question once again. Which upcoming mission is expected to follow Chandrayaan 3, focusing on human spaceflight? Your option are A. Mangalyaan 2, B. Aditya L1, C. Gaganyaan, D. Sukriyaan 1.
Option B.
That's the wrong answer. The right answer is option C. Gaganyaan. Now the next question to Shivnath again. What is the primary energy source for the Pragyan rover on the moon? Your options are A. Nuclear power, B. Solar power, C. Chemical batteries, D. Fuel cells. Let me repeat it once again. What is the primary energy source for the Pragyan rover on the moon? A. Nuclear power, B. Solar power. C. Chemical batteries. D. Fuel cells. You can choose any option, there is no negative marking. Option D, fuel cells, that's the wrong answer. The right answer is option B, solar power. Next again, to the Alpha House, what does the name Vikram in Vikram lander stand for? A. Victory. B. Valor. C. Named after Vikram Sarabhai, the founder of ISRO. D. It means space in Sanskrit.
Option A, victory.
That's the wrong answer. The right answer is option C, named after Vikram Sarabhai, the founder of ISRO. Now again, to the Indravati House, which constellation is known as the Hunter? Your options are A. Orion, B. Ursa Major, C. Scorpius, D. Lyra. Your options are Orion, Ursa Major, Scorpius, Lyra. Ursa Major. That's the wrong answer. The right answer is A. Orion. Now again to the Mahanadi group. What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Your options are A. Elliptical, B. Irregular, C. Spiral, D. Barren spiral. What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Your options are A. Elliptical, B. Irregular, C. Spiral, D. Barren spiral. A. Elliptical. That's the wrong answer. The right answer is D. Barren spiral. Now the last question to Simnath House. Which constellation is also known as the Great Bear? A. Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, B. Draco, C. Ursa Major, D. Boots. Which constellation is also known as the Great Bear? A. Ursa Minor, B. Draco, C. Ursa Major, D. Bootes.
Option A.
That's the wrong answer. The right answer is C. Ursa Major. And at the round of one, Alpha team is leading with 12 points, and Indravati, Mahanadi, and Shivna stands with 8 points each. Now we have the second round, which is the passing round. You will be asked a question. If you guess it correctly, you will be awarded 4 points. And if you give wrong answer, the question will be passed to the next team. And there will be no negative markings and there will be no options. And there is a 30 seconds timer too. If you can't answer in 30 seconds, then the question will be passed. So the first question for Alpha House: which planet has the most moons? Saturn. That's the right answer. Alpha House gets 4 points. Now the next question to Indravati House. What is the name of first artificial satellite launched into space? Old world. Name of first artificial satellite launched into space. Once again, what is the name of first artificial satellite launched into space? The question is passed to the Mahanadi House. What is the name of first satellite launched into space? The question is passed to the Shivnath House. What is the name of the first artificial satellite launched into space? See, there is no negative marking, so you can guess like 3D or full. Again, it is passed to the Arpa House. What is the name of first satellite, artificial satellite, launched into space? As no team can answer the question is resolved. The right answer is Sputnik 1. Now the third question to Mahanadi House. Which planet is known as the morning star or evening star? Which planet is known as the morning star or evening star? Your time, sir. Your time, sir. The question is passed to the Shivnath House. Which planet is known as the morning star or evening star? That's the right answer. Shivnath House gets 4 points. 2 points. Fourth question to the Shivnath House. What force keeps planets in orbit around the sun? What force keeps planet in orbit around the sun? That's the right answer. Team Shivnath gets 4 points. Now again to the Arpa House. What is the name of first space telescope launched by NASA in 1990? The question is passed to the Indravati House. What is the name of the first space telescope launched by NASA in 1990? The question is passed to the Mahanadi House. What? Did you say something? Yeah. That's the right answer. Indravati House gets 2 points. Now again to the Indravati House. What is the smallest planet in our solar system?
Mercury.
That's the right answer. Indravati House gets 4 points. Now to the Mahanadi House. What is the name of the belt of asteroids located between Mars and Jupiter? What is the name of the belt of asteroids located between Mars and Jupiter? The question is passed to the Shivnath House. What is the name of the belt of asteroids located between Mars and Jupiter? That's the wrong answer. It is again passed to Arpa House. What is the name of the belt of asteroids located between Mars and Jupiter? Asteroid belt. That's the right answer. Arpa House gets 2 points. Now to the Shivnath House. What do we call the path that a planet follows around the sun? What do we call the path that a planet follows around the sun? That's the right answer. Shivnath House gets 4 points. Now, ninth question. To Arpa House, what was one of the primary scientific goals of Chandrayaan 3 mission? What was the name of the primary scientific goals of the Chandrayaan 3 mission?
To find water.
That's the right answer. Arpa House gets 4 points. Now, 10th question to Indravati House. What was the expected landing date of Chandrayaan 3? You can guess the answer. There is no negative mark.
That's the wrong answer.
That is the wrong answer. The right answer is 23rd August 2023. कोई ना. Now the 11th question to Mahanadi House. Which launch vehicle was used for Chandrayaan 3? The question is passed to the Shivnath House. Which launch vehicle was used for Chandrayaan 3? The question is again passed to the Arpa House. Which launch vehicle was used for Chandrayaan 3? Question is passed to the Indravati House. Which launch vehicle was used for Chandrayaan 3? That is the wrong answer. So the right answer is LV-M3-M4. Now the last question to the Shivnath House. What is the name of the lander in Chandrayaan 3? What is the name of the lander in Chandrayaan 3? That's the wrong answer. Question is passed to the Arpa House. What is the name of the lander in Chandrayaan 3? Vikram. That's the right answer. Arpa House gets 2 points. Arpa House is leading with 12 points. Then we have Indravati House with 6 points, Mahanadi House with 8 points, and Shivnath House with 10 points. These are the scores of round 2, not round 1. Thank you. Now we have the third round, which is the visual round. So you will be shown a picture on the screen, and you have to answer what the image is shown. And each right answer will give you 4 points. And if you fail to answer, the question will be dissolved. So the first image, there will be 20 seconds. There is no negative marking. So there will be a 20-second timer. So the first image for the Arpa House on the screen, please. came up, the right answer was Hubble Space Telescope. Now we have Indravati House. So the image for Indravati House on the screen, please. What's the name of that particular thing? That's the wrong answer. It is Apollo 11. Now, the next image for Mahanadi House on the screen, please. What planetary object or whatever that is? Saturn. That's the wrong answer. It is Neptune. Then the fourth question for Shivnath House. Image for the Shivnath House on the screen. Thanks, sir. Now again, the answer is Chandrayaan 3. Now again the image for the Earth House on the screen, please. Vikram Bhaya. That's the wrong answer. The right answer is S. Somnath. Now again to the Indravati House. Image for the Indravati House on the screen, please. That's the wrong answer. It is Curiosity rover. Now again to the Mahanadi House. Image for the Mahanadi House. Satellite. That's ISS, International Space Station. Now again to the Shivnath House. Image for the Shivnath House on the screen, please. Time's up. The answer is Pluto. So round 3 is ended and buzzer now. And see, please keep that in mind. If your buzzer doesn't work, you can use your desk. And there will be total of 8 questions. Each team will get 2 questions. There will be no passing or anything. There will be a timer of 30 seconds. Right answer will give you 4 points. Wrong answer will give you -2. Keep that in mind. And the first one to press the buzzer will be given the chance. And see, you have to choose anyone from your group who will give the answer. You can discuss. You can discuss in the given time. So the first question for the Arpa House. I am the second brightest object in the night sky after the moon, often called Earth. The question is, I am the second brightest object in the night sky after the moon, often called Earth's sister planet. Who am I? I'm going to repeat it once again. I am the second brightest object in the night sky after the moon, often called Earth's sister planet? Who am I?
Venus.
That's the right answer. Indravati now gets 4 points. Now the second question is, I'm a comet that orbits the sun every 75 to 76 years. Last seen from Earth in 1986. Who am I? That's the right answer. Indravati now gets 4 points. I'm the fifth planet from the sun, and I have more than 75 moons, including Ganymede, the largest in the solar system. Who am I? That's the wrong answer. You get -2 marks. So Indravati answer. That's the right answer. Indravati now gets 4 points. Now the fourth question is, I'm the planet that rotates on my side, making my axis almost parallel to the plane of the solar system. Who am I? I'm the planet that rotates on my side, making my axis almost parallel to the plane of the solar system. Who am I? That's the wrong answer. Indravati House gets -2. I'm the planet that rotates on my side, making my axis almost parallel to the plane of solar system. Who am I? That's the wrong answer. -2 the Alpha House. The question is resolved. Now the fifth question is, I'm the spacecraft that was launched in 1977 and had traveled beyond our solar system, carrying a golden record with sounds and images of Earth. Who am I? Hubble telescope. That's the wrong answer. -2 for the Alpha. And that's the right answer. Indravati House gets 4 points. Sixth question. I'm the first human-made object to land on the moon, sent by the Soviet Union in 1959. Who am I? I'm the first human-made object to land on the moon, sent by the Soviet Union in 1959. Who am I? The question is resolved. The answer is Lunar 2. The seventh question is, I'm a region of space where the gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Who am I? That's the right answer. Indravati now gets 4 points. I'm a space telescope orbiting Earth, known for capturing stunning images of distant galaxies. Who am I? I'm a space telescope orbiting Earth, known for capturing. That's the wrong answer. -2 for Indravati House. I am a space telescope orbiting Earth, known for capturing stunning images of distant galaxies. Who am I? That's the right answer. Alpha House gets +4. And this is not the sum total of scores. This is the score of this round only. So Alpha is at -2, -2. Indravati is at +16. Mahanadi is at 0. Shivnath is at 0. Now it is the last round, rapid fire round, and We will ask 5 questions from each team. Each correct answer will give you 4 points. There is no negative marking. You have to answer within 5 seconds. So first to the upper house. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system?
Milky Way galaxy.
That's the right answer. What planet is known as the blue planet?
Earth.
That's the right answer. What force keeps us grounded on Earth and prevents us from floating into space?
Gravitational force.
That's the right answer. What was the name of the first manned mission to land on the moon? That's the right answer. Which planet is known for having the most moons?
Saturn.
That's the right answer. Alpha gets 20 points. Now to the Indravati house. A group of stars is called
Marshall.
That's the right answer. Which constellation contains pole star? Contains pole star. Next question. Which planet has a day that is longer than its year? Next question. First living being to go into space?
Chimpanzee.
That's the wrong answer. Which planet is famous for its larger rings?
Saturn.
That's the right answer. Indravati house gets 8 points. Now to the Mahanadi house. What is the hottest planet in our solar system?
Mercury.
What is the name of Earth's protective shield that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation?
Ozone layer.
That's the right answer. Which planet has the nickname the gas giant? Which planet has the nickname the gas giant? Who was the first person to walk on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
That's the right answer. Which planet is closest to Earth in size and mass?
Venus.
That's the right answer. Next to the Shivnath house. What do we call a large group of stardust and gas held together by gravity? Which planet has the most intense storms, including the Great Red Spot? What is the name of the first American astronaut to orbit Earth? Which planet is known for its tilted axis causing extreme seasonal changes? Which is the only planet in our solar system not named after a Roman or Greek god? The question is that all rounds are finished, and now let us wait for the results. So we have the scores in our hand, and it's the moment of the truth. So at the 4th position we have Shivnath House with 18 points. Shivnath House played very well, but then on the 3rd spot we have none other than Mahanadi with 20 points. It was a really close competition between Alpha House and Indravati House. And now on the 2nd position we have Indravati House with 28 points. Our winner is none other than Alpha House with 42 points.